Hey y'all, hope all is well. Well, I took the big van out today, went to a few scrap yards, and found me something. Got me some material I could fix that hole in the floor in this cabinet with, and quite possibly skin that door on the side of this van. Yep, you guessed it, a dryer skin. The outside of a dryer. And what I'm going to be doing is cutting it to fit in this section here and just have it welded right in both sides here. Then I can stuff some fluffy insulation in there and then cover it on the inside with a sheet of styrofoam insulation. But I got enough to fix that hole right there and the hole in the floor where the exhaust pipe for the generator. That way I can take this big old cabinet out of the van and get my open floor space to build whatever I want. But once that cabinet comes out, my wood stove's going there anyway. And the space I'm allotting for it isn't nearly as big as that box. But I'm going to leave a 3-foot space for it. That way I can put up, a little wall behind the seat and heat shields and all that. Plenty of air around it kind of thing. But yeah, that's what I did. I went and got me a piece of metal. I'm going to have to bang it out and make it flat and then cut it to size and all this, that, and the other. Which I'm totally cool with doing. It's just that I don't have time to do that today since it's already afternoon. So I'll probably do that Friday. I may just take it over, load up all my tools and take it over to a friend's house for the weekend. Because they live out in the middle of nowhere and me beating and banging on metal ain't gonna bother anybody. Right now I got neighbors about a stone's throw away, so I don't want to create a big old commotion out here. But anyway, that's what I did. Now I'm gonna do the whole van life routine, run to the laundromat, go to the gym, take a shower, all that stuff. Get myself all purdied up for work tomorrow. That's all for today. Maybe something later after I cook, I don't know, we'll see. But I hope all is well, and until next time, happy trails.